Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook humba with Sprite. First, let's prepare our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of pork belly, cut into 2-inch cubes. Have ready 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of vinegar, and a generous amount of Sprite. Don't forget your aromatics, several cloves of garlic, a few bay leaves, and a teaspoon of whole peppercorns. This unique combination creates a wonderfully balanced sweet and savory dish. Next, we'll start building those deep flavors. In a large pot, brown your pork belly cubes over medium-high heat until they're golden and slightly crispy on all sides. Remove the pork, then in the same pot, sauté your minced garlic and sliced onions until they become fragrant. Return the brown pork to the pot. Now, pour in about 1 cup of Sprite to deglaze the pot, scraping up all those delicious brown bits from the bottom. This step is crucial for a rich sauce. Now for the braising magic. Add your 1 cup of soy sauce, 1/2 cup of vinegar, bay leaves, and whole peppercorns to the pot. Pour in an additional 1 1/2 cups of Sprite, ensuring the pork is mostly submerged in the liquid. Bring it to a gentle simmer, then reduce the heat to low, cover, and let it cook for at least 1 1/2 hours. The long, slow braise, enhanced by the Sprite, will make the pork incredibly tender and infuse it with a delightful sweetness. Finally, let's finish our delicious humba. Once the pork is fork tender, remove the lid and check the seasoning. You might want to add a pinch of salt or pepper to taste. If you prefer a thicker sauce, increase the heat slightly and let it reduce for about 10 to 15 minutes until it reaches your desired consistency. Serve your humba hot, garnished with some fried garlic or fresh spring onions, alongside a generous serving of steamed white rice. Enjoy this unique and flavorful dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.